Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Scooter. In this video I'll show you how to inflate the tires. In the beginning, let's take a look at the tires. Right here on each tire, on the right side of it, we've got this valve. Simply open it, prepare the air compressor, and now you can inflate the tire by connecting the air compressor to this valve. The second valve is located on the front wheel, same on the right side. Because of the engine installed in the front wheel, it's a little bit harder to unscrew this. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.